Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and in today's video I'm in my backyard getting ready to plant some daffodils and some alliums in this flower bed. It's about 49 degrees and sunny, a little breeze, so hopefully you can hear me. It's the end of November, so it's time to get them in the ground. So this bed is underneath a maple tree. I raked it out a little bit. I cleaned out all the pots and put them in the basement. A lot of them are terracotta and enameled pottery, so I don't want them cracking or broke this winter. The plan is, well, first of all, I bought some daffodils and some white alliums. The plan is to put the daffodils all around the edge and then dot the alliums here and there. There's a lot of roots in here, so that makes it a little bit harder to put them where you want them exactly. So let me show you the bulbs. I picked up some daffodils and some alliums. The daffodils are a double mix. There's 35 in this pack. Daffodils take full sun or partial shade, and they bloom around mid-spring. The alliums are these big white round flowers that come up on a stem, usually late spring. They take full sun. You want to plant them about 3 inches, and they get about 20 to 24 inches tall. And I also picked up some garden soil for in-ground plants. I have my auger, my spade, my rake, and I'm ready to go. Alright, got them all in, all the daffodils and the alliums, and I backfilled them with this garden soil for in-ground plants, covered them back up with their native soil and mulch, and then I went ahead and went an extra step and covered this over with some leaves to help disguise fresh dirt because the squirrels around here are very good at finding it. Now I can't wait for spring.